spicy Parmesan Brussels sprouts. All right, so I'm gonna make a dressing to kind of toss the sprouts in before I put them in the oven. And that's olive oil, balsamic glaze, salt, and pepper. And then I'll sprinkle in some crushed red pepper flakes and some grated garlic. Lots and lots of flavor. I'm gonna add a little extra squirt of the balsamic because it helps the Brussels sprouts get nice and caramelized. Okay, so I've actually got 2 pans of sprouts and they're cleaned and then cut in half. And then for the spice, I'm adding a sliced Fresno pepper, and I've got the sprouts on 2 sheet pans because if you crowd them too much, they steam instead of roast, and they won't get those beautiful brown edges in the oven. Okay, so that's all mixed together. So I'll go halvesies on both pans. There's not a whole lot of it because a little goes a long way. So I'll just toss the sprouts until they're completely coated. All right, and then I'll toss the second one. Just for good measure, sprinkle on a little extra salt. All right, so let's get these into the oven so that the magic can unfold. They're gonna go into a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are crisp and they're nice and brown. And then we'll check them out. All right, let's check out these sprouts. Oh my gosh. They look even better than I thought they would. And I thought they'd look good, but wow.
Dang.
Oh, I love sprouts so much. Okay, so before I finish these up, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer one pan onto the second pan. Okay, now I promised Parmesan earlier, so I'm gonna add a whole bunch of grated Parm, and you wanna do this right out of the oven while everything's really hot. And then toss. All right, and then I have a beautiful white platter, which I think brings out the beauty of the sprouts. And then I'm gonna see if I can get all these on here without any of them taking off and rolling across the floor and out the door. Alrighty, get them all situated and then just finish them up with a little bit of Parmesan. All right, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Mwah.